What if I told you there's a luxury SUV so tough that some owners have driven it past 1,000,000 miles? Think Land Cruiser, but in a tuxedo. Today, we're counting down 15 road legends, off-road warriors, family haulers, and daily drivers built to last. Stick around. Halfway through, I'll reveal a hidden luxury SUV you can still grab for under $5,000 that'll outlast your next two cars. Number 1. 2005 Lexus LX 470, the million-mile marvel. The 2005 Lexus LX 470 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a mechanical masterpiece that blends Land Cruiser durability with Lexus refinement. Under the hood sits Toyota's legendary 4.7-liter V8, an engine so overbuilt it's been documented to surpass 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Some owners have pushed past the million-mile mark, and the drivetrain still runs like clockwork. What makes it so unshakable? Body-on-frame construction, heavy-duty suspension components, and a four-wheel drive system engineered for some of the harshest terrains on Earth. Inside, you get a cabin that was built to age gracefully, leather that resists cracking, electronics that keep working, and a level of comfort rare in any SUV of its era. High mileage examples can occasionally be found near our $5,000 ceiling. The key checks, timing belt service history, and a look at the adaptive suspension system. Fix those, and you've got one of the toughest, most comfortable long-distance machines ever built. From here, we move to something that trades formal attire for rugged work clothes. A full-size American hauler that's just as stubborn about quitting. Number 2. 2011 GMC Yukon, the American Titan. If the LX 470 is a tuxedo-clad adventurer, the 2011 GMC Yukon is its work boot-wearing cousin. Built tough, powerful, and ready for anything. Under the hood sits GM's small-block 5.3-liter V8, a design refined over decades for durability and torque. These engines can easily cross the 400,000-mile mark, and with proper care, 500,000 miles isn't out of the question. The Yukon's secret is its body-on-frame design, the same style used in heavy-duty trucks, paired with a chassis that shrugs off years of towing, hauling, and highway miles. Inside, you'll find room for the whole family, plus genuine capability for pulling trailers or boats. You can find higher mileage examples between $4,200 and $4,900. Just check the transmission fluid condition and watch for signs of active fuel management issues. Maintain it well, and this SUV will keep working long after most modern crossovers have given up. And if you think the Yukon is impressive, wait until you see a mid-size Honda SUV that's been outlasting competitors for nearly 2 decades. Number 3. 2006 Honda Pilot, the unbreakable family hauler. When it comes to mid-size family SUVs, few have earned a reputation for bulletproof dependability like the 2006 Honda Pilot. Powered by Honda's J35 3.5-liter V6 producing 244 horsepower, this engine has proven itself over and over again in real-world mileage tests. What makes the Pilot so long-lived? Honda engineered it with a robust transmission cooling system to avoid overheating issues, a smart AWD setup for traction, and an interior that wears better than most vehicles twice its age. Even past 250,000 miles, many still have solid drivetrains and original interior components. You'll find them for $3,700 to $4,800 depending on condition. Check the timing belt service history and rear differential maintenance on AWD models. Take care of those, and this SUV can easily run for another decade or more. Next, we step into something a bit more rugged, a classic Jeep that became an off-road legend thanks to an engine that just won't quit. Number 4. 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ, the rugged icon. The 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ is the definition of old-school toughness. Its 4.0-liter inline-6 engine is one of the most durable power plants ever built, a simple, cast-iron workhorse that routinely passes 300,000 miles without drama. With basic maintenance, 500,000 miles isn't far-fetched. Its solid front and rear axles give it unmatched off-road durability, while its straightforward electrical systems mean fewer points of failure. This was built in an era before complicated electronics took over, and it shows. Everything about the XJ screams functional reliability. Available for $2,500 to $4,500. It's an affordable classic that's equally at home, crawling over rocks or cruising down the interstate. The only things to watch for: rear main seal leaks and cooling system health. Fix those, and you've got one of the longest lasting SUVs ever made. From this trail-ready Jeep, we'll jump to a refined Japanese SUV that hides Land Cruiser DNA under a luxury badge, one that many buyers still overlook. Number 5. 2002 Lexus GX 470. The refined adventurer. Think of the 2002 Lexus GX 470 as the Lexus LX 470's slightly smaller sibling, still packing Toyota's legendary 4.7-liter V8, but with a more compact footprint. This engine is a masterpiece of longevity, and paired with the GX's body-on-frame construction, it's designed to handle everything from cross-country road trips to backcountry trails. Where it really shines is in its balance of comfort and capability. You get a plush, quiet interior with leather that ages gracefully, plus a robust four-wheel drive system for real off-road confidence. Many examples easily push past 300,000 miles, with some doubling that when maintained properly. Prices for higher mileage GX 470s hover around our $5,000 ceiling. The main checks, timing belt history, and the condition of the air suspension, if equipped. Fix those, and this SUV can give you years, even decades of dependable service. Speaking of dependable, let's head to a family SUV from Toyota that's been quietly racking up huge mile counts without much fanfare. Number 6. 2003 Toyota Highlander, the family fortress. The 2003 Toyota Highlander is a lesson in smart, understated engineering, offered with either a 2.4-liter four-cylinder or a 3.0-liter V6. Both engines are products of Toyota's peak reliability era. The Highlander's simple suspension, sturdy transmission, and overbuilt cooling system all work together to keep it on the road far longer than most midsize SUVs of its time. Its interior is functional, with materials chosen for durability rather than flash. Many high-mileage Highlanders still have original seats, dashboards, and electronics in great condition. Add in the optional third row and spacious cargo area, and it's a budget-friendly family hauler that's hard to beat. On the market, they go for $3,800 to $4,900. Just make sure the V6 timing belt has been changed and check the rear suspension for wear. Keep up with maintenance, and this SUV will handle school runs, road trips, and everything in between for years to come. Next, we switch gears to a compact Honda SUV that's been a favorite among commuters and adventure seekers alike for decades. Number 7. 2004 Honda CR-V, the practical performer. The 2004 Honda CR-V is proof that compact SUVs can be just as long-lived as their full-size counterparts. Powered by Honda's K24 2.4-liter four-cylinder, it's a smooth, efficient, and unbelievably durable engine. Even past 200,000 miles, it often runs as quietly and cleanly as it did when new. Beyond the engine, the CR-V's cabin shows Honda's knack for longevity. Upholstery holds up, electronics keep working, and the clever storage layout makes it a surprisingly versatile daily driver. The transmissions, both manual and automatic, are also known for lasting well past the 250,000 mile mark with proper care. On today's used market, expect to pay $3,200 to $4,800. If it's AWD, check the rear differential fluid, and make sure the valves have been adjusted on schedule. With those bases covered, this little SUV can keep going long after many modern crossovers have hit the junkyard. Now, before we jump to our next pick, a premium SUV that offers Lexus-like durability without the Lexus price, here's something important. If you've made it this far, you clearly appreciate vehicles that stand the test of time. So hit that like button and subscribe, because we've got more hidden gems coming up that could save you thousands and last you decades. And trust me, you don't want to miss our last pick. Next up, the SUV that blends Acura luxury with Honda toughness in one seriously underrated package. Number 8. 2003 Acura MDX, the premium performer. The 2003 Acura MDX proves you can have luxury and longevity in one package. Under the hood is Honda's J35 3.5-liter V6 with 260 horsepower, the same bulletproof engine family that powers the Pilot and Odyssey. It's smooth, refined, and built to last, with many examples cruising past 300,000 miles. Acura's engineering goes beyond the engine. The transmission is known for long service life if fluid changes are done on time, and the interior materials, from the leather seats to dashboard, resist wear far better than many competitors. The standard all-wheel drive system also adds year-round confidence. You can pick up higher mileage MDX for $3,800 to $4,900. Check the timing belt history and transmission fluid quality, and this SUV will serve you for many years to come. From luxury comfort, let's jump to a no-frills workhorse that's conquered some of the harshest terrain on Earth. Number 9. 2001 Toyota Land Cruiser, the Immortal Explorer. The 2001 Toyota Land Cruiser is an SUV icon, powered by the 4.7-liter 2 UZF EV8. It's known for running well past 500,000 miles, even with imperfect maintenance. Its secret, Toyota's obsession with over-engineering. Every component, from the heavy-duty suspension to the bulletproof four-wheel drive system, is designed for decades of use in extreme conditions. Inside, the materials are just as durable as the mechanics. Many 20-year-old Land Cruisers still have fully functional electronics and surprisingly intact upholstery. They can be tough to find under $5,000, but high mileage examples do pop up. Check the timing belt and front axle seals, and you'll own one of the most dependable vehicles ever sold. Next, let's downsize a bit to a Subaru that's been winning fans with its mix of all-weather ability and long-haul toughness. Number 10. 2004 Subaru Forester, the all-weather warrior. The 2004 Subaru Forester is small, practical, and surprisingly tough. Its 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, makes it a favorite for drivers in snowy climates and rugged rural areas. Where the Forester really stands out is versatility. It drives like a car, hauls like a small SUV, and can handle dirt roads with ease. The interior is basic but durable, with plenty of glass for excellent visibility. You'll find them for $3,000 to $4,500. The main concern? Head gaskets. If they've been replaced and you keep oil changes consistent, the Forester can easily top 250,000 miles. Some owners report hitting 400,000 plus. From snowy trails, we'll jump to a Toyota SUV that combines full-size space with the bulletproof Land Cruiser engine. Number 11. 2002 Toyota Sequoia, the gentle giant. The 2002 Toyota Sequoia is essentially a Land Cruiser's more budget-friendly cousin. It shares the same legendary 4.7-liter V8, making it capable of huge mileage totals with minimal fuss. The Sequoia was designed with durability in mind. A sturdy frame, heavy-duty suspension, and a cooling system that keeps temperatures stable even under heavy towing. Inside, it offers 3-row seating, roomy comfort, and Toyota's trademark attention to detail. Expect prices around $3,900 to $4,900. Check the timing belt and look for frame rust if it's from a salt belt state. Maintain it well, and this SUV will likely outlast your next two cars. Now let's go modern with a Ford that proves not all newer SUVs are built soft. Number 12. 2016 Ford Expedition, the modern classic. The 2016 Ford Expedition shows that even in the turbo era, durability is still possible. Powered by the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 with 365 horsepower, it combines strong towing ability with surprising reliability, especially when oil changes are done religiously. Its body-on-frame build gives it the toughness of a truck, while independent rear suspension smooths out the ride. Inside, materials are durable, and many high-mileage examples still look fresh. Higher mileage units can sometimes dip close to our $5,000 cap. Keep an eye on the water pump and turbo maintenance, and this SUV can rack up big miles with ease. From modern Ford muscle, let's rewind to a Toyota crossover pioneer that set the tone for decades. Number 13. 2005 Toyota RAV4, the compact pioneer. The 2005 Toyota RAV4 was part of the wave that created the compact SUV craze. Its 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is nearly indestructible, and with a timing chain instead of a belt, major maintenance is simplified. These RAV4s often hit 300,000 miles without complaint. 500,000 isn't unheard of with careful upkeep. The interior may be simple, but the materials last, and the driving dynamics are still respectable today. On the market, expect $3,000 to $4,500. Check the rear differential on AWD models, and you've got a reliable daily driver for years to come. From small and scrappy, let's finish with a modern Toyota legend that's still built the old-fashioned way. Number 14, 2017 Toyota 4Runner, the modern legend. The 2017 Toyota 4Runner sticks to proven formulas. Body-on-frame construction, a robust 4.0-liter V6, and a timing chain for fewer headaches. Even with modern tech inside, it retains the mechanical toughness that's made the 4Runner a favorite among adventurers. With a reliability score of 87 out of 100 and off-road chops straight from the factory, these SUVs hold value fiercely. But if you find one near 5,000 with higher mileage, it's a golden deal. Check for regular maintenance and you could easily drive it for another 300,000 miles. Number 15, 1999 Chevrolet Suburban 2500 Diesel, the heavy-duty family hauler. The 1999 Chevy Suburban 2500 with the 6.5-liter turbo diesel is proof that American heavy-duty engineering can rival the world's best when it comes to longevity. This beast was built for towing, hauling, and surviving decades of hard use. Many have seen 400,000 plus miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and cooling system care. Its ladder frame and heavy-duty axles were designed for work trucks, meaning the Suburban feels indestructible. With seating for up to 9, it's a family mover that can also tow a camper or boat without breaking a sweat. The diesel engine may not be lightning fast, but it's efficient for its size and incredibly durable. Finding one in good shape is getting tricky, but if you do, you'll have an SUV that's both a time capsule and a workhorse. Just be prepared for its sheer size. Parking one feels more like docking a ship. And there you have it, SUVs built to go the distance, with engines and drivetrains that just don't know when to quit. Whether you're after off-road dominance, long-haul comfort, or old-school diesel grit, these rides prove that reliability never goes out of style. But SUVs aren't the only vehicles that can rack up the miles without draining your wallet. If you want to see 17 cheap cars that simply never break down, check out our next video. It's packed with budget-friendly, rock-solid options that might surprise you. Click it now and keep your car knowledge rolling.